Hello again, and welcome to Tips and Tricks for January 2022. How to export data from DocFlow to CSV files.
All right, this video is going to be about exporting data from DocFlow. Back in 10.0.17, we added a new item in the DocFlow toolbar called Export List. So what that is going to do is create a CSV export of the current flow documents data. So currently right now I'm on a flow called AP Expense Invoices. I'm going to export list. And we've got a new CSV file. I'll open it up into Excel, but now you can do what you want with that data, rearrange it, sort it, and the next thing is going to be, you saw another item here in the DocFlow toolbar. A couple versions later, 10.0.19, it was added that you could export all flows. So that is going to create a CSV export of all the documents and all the flows that your user is a member of. So when we do export all flows, we'll take a look at the resulting CSV file. And this time we've got data for every flow that I am a member of, which I'm logged in as an admin. So I am a member of quite a few here. Okay, so a couple things to note on that export is that if your export list is grayed out, there is a requirement and you have to go to settings and you have to be in grid format and save that setting, and then that will not be grayed out anymore. If you're in list format, that option will be grayed out. Last feature about this fairly new export option is that you can also export notes. So I will save that setting, and I believe we have a DocFlow document out here with a note. Yep, so this is a note. So now it's going to compile all the notes that have been put on all these DocFlow documents, and I'll just export this current list. And now in addition to the other data, you then got a compiled list column that gives you all the notes and who put it in. And that is the DocFlow toolbar feature for exporting CSV data.
Thank you, Brian. One quick question. Now, this is to be exported back to the ERP, correct?
No, so right now it just creates a CSV file. So then somebody can do something with that data manually. Now, exporting to the ERP, that's something we can program in and do when somebody approves the DocFlow. So when somebody, approves this and hits forward, we can have code in there to create data in the format that their ERP needs. So that right there was just CSV data about the document.
If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas for future tips and tricks, please email them to Dan Schmidt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For Unformed Tips or Tricks, thank you very much. Hope to see you next month.